Mo kí gbogbo wa pé a kú dédé àkókò yìí. Ẹ dákun, fídíò mi máa fẹ́ rush ara mi díẹ̀díẹ̀ níwọ̀nba torí pé mo ti ṣe àwọn fídíò bíi mélòó kan sí iwájú láàárọ̀ tí mo ń gbìyànjú láti pé kí n ṣe àwọn àtúnṣe àwọn corrections tí mo bá fẹ́ ṣe lórí ẹ̀ so that máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa gbé wọn jáde based on àwọn nǹkan tí ń lọ nílùú. Wá jẹ́ ìyàlẹ́nu fún mi pé mo wá rí headlines kan tí ọ̀kan nínú àwọn èèyàn wa tí wọ́n pè mí lákìyèsí sí lórí platform wa tí mo wà. Wọ́n ní sitting with two chief imam extension group Ogbomoso. Mo gbìyànjú láti pé kí n lọ sí inú story yẹn dáadáa so that ká lè bá rí nǹkan tí a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. Mo wá discover wípé àwọn nǹkan tí à ń bá kálẹ̀ káàkiri náà ni tí kò tí kúrò nílẹ̀, òun náà ni wọ́n tún lọ sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. So nínú rẹ̀ iná ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí wípé tension tó wà nílùú lórí ọ̀rọ̀ member Ogbomoso wípé lórí Yunus àti Habib wọ́n try láti claim wípé ayélujára kan náà ni gbogbo wọn. In the first place ni pé the headline was misplacement. It's very bad. Àkọ́kọ́ nìyẹn. Ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni pé placing the picture of Kábíyèsí with this type of artwork is condemnable. Àwọn ò ní tolerate nonsense yẹn fún yín. We will not like it. The guardians newspaper, you can blackmail us, you can do anything online. But I want you to understand that ẹ̀yin ti wà níbẹ̀ yẹn. But if you want to do anything that is going to tarnish the image of our land and Obaluwa, we will not take it lightly with you. No matter who pays you and how much you are being paid. Gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n bá san fún yín kọ́ ni problem wa. Because nǹkan tí mo understand with journalism is going for the facts. Kí ọ̀dà wà sure lórí nǹkan tí wọ́n bá gbé dání. Ó sì dàbí ẹni pé ń bẹ nínú àwọn guidelines tí born Broadcasting Organization of Nigeria tẹ́gbẹ́ kalẹ̀ fún gbogbo yín. So ẹ máa ń wo bí ẹni pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló jẹ́ bí laymen tẹ́kànlé bọ́ sọ́dọ̀ wọn tẹ́kànlé sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn anyhow. But anyway, a ò rí yín báwí. Ní àwọn àgbàlagbà wọn ní ẹran tó mérè jẹ òun ló jẹ́ kí gbẹ̀gìrì kó sàn. Ẹbí yín kọ́ bí kò ṣe pé àwọn tí wọ́n lérò wípé bóyá ọmọ ọkọ ni wọ́n tán já ọmọ àlè nílùú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ tán dààmú ìlú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ tí wọ́n ń pe àwọn ogun wá láti ta láti pé kó wá jà wá, àwọn ni wọ́n fún yín ní ọ̀rọ̀ sọ. And I'm not ready to blame you on that. Ẹ kàn lọ rí wà extra careful ni torí ẹ ó padà lọ rí gba story mi tó yẹ pé at the end of the day you might not go scot free. Like I always said, bí mo ṣe rí mi as a layman tó yìí, I think I walk on the trail of justice in my own little way, being both what I see, what I hear, and what I watch, and what I read. Níwọ̀nba títí mi. So one has to be very little careful, if not much careful, lórí àwọn publication tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ mọ̀ ṣe. Eléyìí ti fi hàn how much desperate these people are lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Imam Ogbomoso. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lókè òkun tẹ́ ń bá wa rí kiri. It is high time tó yẹ pé kẹ́yìn náà kan we want to hear your voices lórí nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí. Ẹ má dáadáa wà nìkan pẹ̀lú nǹkan tá à ń ṣe. Reason is that we are laymen, we don't have much. So ìwọ̀nba wa tá à ń kàn lè sọ̀rọ̀ online náà là ń sọ̀rọ̀ online. Gbogbo ọ̀nà náà tẹ̀ tí wọ́n náà láti gbé kan fi block wa. With little attack here and there, with all litigation here and there, in order to shut off. After much shut off, so you lè rẹ̀ wọ́n lọ́wọ́ lórí nǹkan tí wọ́n ń ṣe. Mo ti sọ̀rọ̀ síwájú lórí one or two things mo ń sọ lórí Morik and the rest of the thing láti pé kí a lè bá ṣọ́ra pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí ń lọ ní ìlú. Kójú pé mo padà wá rí publication yìí. Nǹkan tí mo kàn fẹ́ sọ fún àwọn the Guardians newspaper ni pé you got it wrong. Tó bá dijọ́ mi tẹ́ bá ti rí àwọn publication máa ti gbérù nǹkan báyìí wá fún pé ẹ bá fẹ́ èlò náà fẹ́ fún yín pátápátá 50,000, 60,000 or 100 or maximum 500,000. It's not enough for you láti pé kẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ fi bà ilé iṣẹ́ yín jẹ́. Because once a litigation is being taken, maybe a suit court come up lórí pé filing a suit court lórí yín pé nǹkan tẹ́ sọ irọ́ lẹ́pa federal clinic. Who is talking of chief imam? 2 chief imams in Ogbomoso land. Just check that your statement, nìkan. We have the palace imam, which is directly working with the Sora of Ogbomoso land. You have the imam of Ojabun Central Mosque that has got nothing to do with the governance of Ogbomoso land, because he has got nothing to do with the palace. He has no connection whatsoever with the palace. He has a case in court with the palace. That is not the palace that assigned him, and he has taken the palace to court. Bekabi is in court. That is a news. It's sellable. That's what it's sellable for you, not until you are being paid for. You had this and you saw it. Anyway, to correct what you have published out, the Guardian's newspaper, what you publish is completely wrong. And I want to appeal to you, and I want to beg you, please, as your findings in headlines, daddy, to the headlines, me over Sakuba for you. Birele, I'm saying it wholeheartedly, and loudly. It's something that is suable, that is suing Lori without your headlines. If it cause a problem for any Luni, tension will never anywhere. And to any tension local, Luni tension local, a kilo dollar to feed that tension, a billion now, it's his own cup of tea. One saw the guy did not belong there. Hey, it's a findings. Why not? Could you tell your fishes are findings? Fishes series. Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. People will be ready to come and read. Okay, don't worry. I am going to give you a write-up of 13 to 14. No, sorry. I'm going to give you a write-up that is up to 21 to 22 pages. I want you to go viral because because of all these things. I want to I will do all what it takes. Let's be able to fly out, if you go around. I will do all what it takes, but no go long. And I will appreciate it. Guardian's newspaper. Though I want to Lord bound one the month bad work can but I want to number from Lagbara number a lot 08037606064. Tolomba finish. Let them beep me by lesson. Tiwe baja de comprehensively mafuyi element you sell it out for people to see. The person you are writing on his own side is an imposter. And to see the when come and see someone for the palace, only come and see imam for someone's palace. You don't find the king. So tension will lower anywhere. Why? You should watch your headlines because it's saying let just see me. DSS they have to look into your issues because you are now bringing in a headline that can cause a problem anywhere. And to in diaspora no peace on the land. And to peace locally. We don't have problem in Ogbomoso. The problem we have is the paternity issues. For peace to reign in the land, only because in talk palace we went to the court. Did you do your findings before going out there? We don't want to use one certain word or use I say, like I said, it might take time, it cannot take time, but both times will take me up to 1 week. The publication printed for you to have it. I will not go do it. Look, I'm writing it on my own. On what I see and what I know about Ogbomoso. I have the right now as a person. I want to be Kawaba and they have the right as a person. So don't see it in the name of a group. Our group cannot shake, our group cannot You see it with my own name, Zubair Mohammed Tawfiq. And you see the crisis, how it has generated. Emina, Mama so maybe or Timoboni, I'm bringing in an evidences. Multi-type, what 21 pages. I'm looking forward to concluding it probably today or tomorrow. Then can send the car carry. I want to know about the number. I will be able to send it to them on PDF, and they should help us to spread it out. That's the only problem in Ogbomoso. Àwọn Isiaq, Akintola Murik, and co, and group of our so-called Afat, don't call our Sibada, and any problem with Ogbomoso. I want to don't want Niwo, I want to find that problem with Ogbomoso. So, because any problem with anybody somewhere there. But we will protect our land to the core. We will protect our land to the core. Believe you me, if you cause a problem in our life, when you cause a problem, okay, and I want to that when they escape, come up, Germany, they won't escape it. But I want them from a local publish, but nonsense and publish Kaleka, and you will shake anything. It will not shake anything in us. Publication, the little we are using with our mouth, we will go places with it. And we will give it a disease that will make a Sakarapatala, you will go so much more concatio Badani Ogbomoso. Look at what you make as your headline. I desire to go inside. That's something did you do your own findings before you now conclude that Omanule can anyone? No, say Rokumo, let's see you can the evidence then need that if you show Omanule can anyone look for Atomojadi. You do junk journalism so Lembakaleka Kirina. You junk journalism small and Lembakaleka killing Katakoni Yona. About your 20 people and another so-called professors work from now on in the quiet line, mental in the community. Don't that problem California need Ogbomoso. So in the likes of our Murik, Isaka Adekola, Akitola, their own likes. What can waste the time and I want to that wala left one. We don't look the guidance paper. We don't have problem in our land. About generator or headlines to that wala left one. We don't want it. I should desist from doing it completely. Desist from doing it completely. I will need it. Paternity problem. Nínúsàní kìí sọmọ nulẹ̀ ọlọ́mọ nulẹ̀ ni àwọn ará nulẹ̀ kìí sọmọ àwọn kí wá ní who is sponsoring him gbogbo olùkẹ́tẹ́ ṣe ṣe pé Nínúsàní sponsor ara rẹ̀ ní kílẹ̀ fẹ́ fi ní Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ṣe náà who is sponsoring him at the end of the day but I know God is there for us. He will help us push it to the essence gbogbo àwọn tán sponsor ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú gọ́ọ̀lọ́ ẹ̀ ní nísìnyí and at the end of the day gbogbo ilẹ̀ kù sójú ọwọ́. Ó tẹ́ ẹgẹ́ bí ṣe ń kẹ́ dáadáa sí ìlú ẹ̀ fi ṣe dáadáa ẹ̀fẹ́ fi ṣẹjọ́ kálẹ̀ káàkiri àwọn blackmail ìlú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ kálẹ̀ káàkiri kí ló dé kí ló ń ṣe yín wọ́n pè yín lọ́mọ àlè lójoojúmọ́ ọmọ àlè ní ọmọ àlè ẹ̀ sì tún fi ọmọ àlè ẹ̀ day in day out kí ló gbélé yìí náà ní jáde nísìn ẹ tún ṣe títí ẹni káwọn èèyàn máa pàdé wa lọ́nà kan máa bú wa ká máa ṣe gbogbo tó bá wù wọ́n a ò ní rẹ̀ láti rìn nínú ìgboro mọ́ kí ló lè bí gbogbo nọ́sẹ̀sì yẹn wọ́n tún pè wá torutoru mo ní nọ́mbà ọ̀bọ̀ kan ní ìsìn mo ti sọ pé máa gbé sórí gbogbo ayé kí gbogbo ayé ó rí máa gbé nọ́mbà yẹn jáde sórí YouTube máa gbé even máa type sórí YouTube máa gbé sí gbogbo ayé ó rí tó máa hide the number at the end of the day mistakenly ọlọ́rin fi nọ́mbà yẹn àpàdà get nọ́mbà yẹn mo lọ́ọ̀rì get bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn lórí Truecaller tó máa pa àwọn èèyàn lẹ́nu lóru tó máa threaten àwọn èèyàn kí ló dé lórí kíni lórí ó ṣe imam ó ṣe imam kí lẹ́ ń fún Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ ń fi Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ kí lẹ́ fi tẹ́ ń ba Islam lórúkọ jẹ́ báyìí náà ẹ̀yin ó ní ìran kí náà wo ní yín náà tó yẹ tẹ́ bá pẹ́ra yín lọ́mọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ kan máàlì Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ nìyí ẹ̀ wá láfíà fún Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ náà Ọlọ́run ní fi yín lọ́rùn lẹ́ o ní tẹ́sí fẹ́ ṣe Ọlọ́run ní fún yín ṣe ìjẹ́fẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀ kò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ mo ti ń pariwo nígbà kó tó di pé mo dórí YouTube ni mo ti ń pariwo báwọn kí ni ìfẹ́ tẹ̀jẹ̀ lẹ̀ l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́ kó tó dórí YouTube ni mo ti ń pariwo nígbà tí mo ti mọ̀ sọ lórí WhatsApp ti pẹ́ àwọn kí ni ìfẹ́ tẹ̀jẹ̀ lẹ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ tẹ̀jẹ̀ lẹ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ sacrifice àwọn kan nílùú ni tẹ bá rò pé jẹ́ ẹnìkan lè fẹ́ talẹ̀ láti pé kẹmọ́ fi ṣe dáadáa wallahi ta'ala ẹ̀yin lẹ́yà padà lọ gbogbo ń tẹ́ náà wallahi ta'ala kò sí kankan tí ó kù pẹ̀lú yín bí dúkìá lẹ bá gbẹ́kẹ̀lé wallahi lójú yín báyìí gbogbo dúkìá yẹn ó ti parẹ́ kí lẹ fẹ́ fún Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ náà what sort of nonsense is this ẹ tó wá jáde wá lọ rẹ ṣe headline pé kíní kan even ẹni tó bá support yín lóde tó bá lọ ṣe à ń kàn wọ yín nìyẹn ní gbogbo ilé conspirators you will never go scot free how do you think you go scot free ẹ rò pé gbogbo publication tẹ̀ ń dá ó ti wá lọ nìyẹn it's not something that can be used against you you think it cannot be used against you ẹ ò lè wá ẹ lè wá aburú fún ìlú Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ wàláì ká má sáré bí a ó sì gbára wa jáde tá a bá sì gbára wa jáde kẹ́rin náà kàn máa kó sójú ọwọ́ àti gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tẹ́yìn náà kàn máa lọ rí mọ́ blọ́ọ̀gì kálẹ̀ káàkiri àwọn tó tún wọn ò nírò orí àti gbogbo àwọn tán kóra ẹ̀yin àfa tẹ́ ń kó wọn jáde tẹ́ ń gbé ẹ jẹ́ ká bìrà yín léèrè ṣé kéwùlẹ̀ kéwù ṣé ìmọ̀lẹ̀ mọ̀ ṣé ti Islam wí nìyẹn ẹ bẹ̀rù ara ẹ bẹ̀rù Ọlọ́run ẹ bẹ̀rù pé báyìí ti ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ ikú lè pa ẹnìkan kan nínú àwa pẹ̀lú yín èyí tẹ́ gbé sọ́kàn yín pé ẹ fẹ́ kó Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ dàrú tí ọ̀wá tí ìdàrú lójú yín tẹ́ wá kú kílẹ̀ lẹ́fẹ́ lọ́ọ́ rí bọ́lọ̀ ọba kílẹ̀ fẹ́ bọ́lọ̀ ọba sọ Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ní problem kílẹ̀ bó lẹ́ ṣe solve problem yẹn kílẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ fọ́lọ̀ ọba káàlọ́ rẹ̀ mọ̀ gbáwọn headlines orí burúkú ẹ̀ mọ̀ fáwọn newspaper lówó kálẹ̀ káàkiri ẹ̀ mọ̀ bọ́sì ní rédíò bọ́ọ̀nù kìíní gbá ẹ̀ mọ̀ threaten àwọn èèyàn káàkiri nígboro. Guardian newspaper, you got it wrongly. We don't have 2 chief imams in Ogbomoso. We have the Shon of the Palace, Shon Palace. That is, we have the Imam of Shon Palace, and he's working directly with the Shon of Ogbomoso land. The Imam of Ojagbo is working on his own. He doesn't have boss. He's the boss on his own, or rather, he has his own sponsors. Who are sponsoring? Who is answering their call, not to the call of the land. Because he's not answering the call of the land, that is why he went to the court. He took it to the court. Did you know that this thing is in court? I want to put publication. Did you ask them if there is anything? There is litigation on ground. You should be very careful. You people, the way you are doing it, sue me. So when I back igi ogiri tan yo tapada o. Nta ṣe yo tapada o. Ko ma jẹ́ pé gbogbo nde that if you life in that if you kojo péjọ kan so báyìí le Ọlọ́run ní bínú Ọlọ́run ní ó bá yín ó parẹ́. Ẹ̀mí yín ó sì ní bọ́. Ẹ wá mọ rarun nínú rẹ̀. Guardian newspaper and Guardian newspaper. That your publication is wrong. Do your own findings before going online. We take Almighty God begged you. You need money, truly, you need that money to pay your salary, to take care of 1 or 2 things, but please get it right. Don't feed the whole world with fake news because you know you go viral. The little we are might not go beyond some certain limit. You that can go too far can cause a problem for us from wherever you are, because that's what we are going to say. You are now becoming part of the conspirators that wanted to disturb our land. You are becoming one of the conspirators that want to cause a problem on our land. You know the truth. You know the truth. You've seen it. You've heard it. It has been there for long. But that headline was too bad. The Shon has no problem with him. Shon has no problem with the Ayala family. He has no problem with Yunus. Yunus has problem with Ayala family, and he has problem with the palace because he said the palace did not install him. They have no right on him. He is there in court. Don't you see that? Why don't you publish that? Did they tell you this? Did they tell you this? They just give you news. I remember there was a time when I wanted to disclaim with Yunusa. that I wanted to put it in a paper. I want a disclaimer. Do you know what you people said? You say you are waiting for confirmation. Our paper houses can be routine. They are waiting for confirmation. Láti mú delay. Can't be secretary, can't be chairman, can't be láti confirm it. Interfere publish that day is right. Tell you delay Ogbomoso láti confirm what you people want to publish out is right. Who authority will ever carry? Because this is something that has to do with the whole land, not individual. It has to do with the whole land, not individual. Did you confirm from the palace? Did you confirm from the imam in council? Did you confirm from Aimas? The group of concerned Muslims, did you confirm from them? From both parties, here and there, before going to compress, you putting what you are putting there. You got it wrong. You got it wrong. The two of them are not from Ailara family. One single person is from Ailara family. And that is Habibullah, Tijani Abdulhab, Usman Ailara. Yunusa is an imposter. Yes, I still maintain it. He is an imposter. He's an imposter. So you don't have to use somebody else for Ailara family or use it to be an indigenous of Ogbomoso land. Please, take your time in one or two things that you might be doing there. Assalamu alaikum.